Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
So, kakain na kami at gutom na sila.
Finally did it!
So long never record.
No, I don't know if it didn't record or it turned off by itself. But, yeah. Kanina nagsasalita ako, hindi siya nag-record pala. Nag-off siya mag-isa. But anyway, nandito kami sa Labrador.
Yep.
Yes, and we're going to have our dinner here. And this is Ezra Boom Boom. Tulog siya, pero okay lang. Kasi hindi siya nakapag-nap. So, maganda na nakapag siya. I think this is the place that we're going. So there, the tree peacock. There. I don't know if you can see it. And Zaid is showing his very cute the tree peacock. It's a very nice and cozy place. Pero siya, hindi siya accessible masyado. You need to come here by car or private car or taxi, ganun.
Peacock.
There's no here, right, Daddy?
Huh?
Like bus stop.
No, the bus is all the way outside.
So if
So you
magbabas, you need to
Dad,
walk.
look.
And
Why is it
pag ganitong maulan.
We can preview later when we start to go out.
Yeah, mamaya pag pabalik na. Pag medyo madilim na, medyo scary siya.
Oh, here used to be the
Dad, it's not
what do
working.
you call that thing?
I don't know.
One of the naval camp.
Oh. So, ganito siya. Meron pang parang ano dun, oh.
Hey, Dad,
Parang,
it's not
ang
working.
tawag dun? Parang mga apartment na maliliit dun.
No, that is on the camera itself lah.
Oh. So, yun. We're gonna slowly wake up the dragon and let's go. What time is our appointment? Our reservation?
Wait, I need to put
Actually, I put
Wally in there.
6:30, but
I
we
need
can
to
come
put
early
Wally
one. No?
in there.
Can we?
Can lah. Not a problem.
Wally, this is your base.
Lugar, oh. Ang daming bus. So, this is the place. Merong outdoor, pero naulan. So, I think we're going inside there. Yeah. Maganda siguro sa gabi kasi may mga pailaw, oh. Hi. Hi, handsome. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, nakagat siya ng something. Ha?
Alright, so this is what we got.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye!
Bye.